Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the lowest common multiple of 160 and 400. So I'm going to use the short successive division method since they are not expressed in the prime factorization form. And so this will be how it looks like. Divided by 2, and I'm left with 80 and 200. Continue. And at this point, I can no longer divide by 2. Both the common prime factor would be, the next common prime factor would then be 5. Until there's no more common prime factor between the two. And so for lowest common multiple, I will have to select all this. And that will be equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 power 5 times 5 power 2. And that will be equals to 800. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.